Ciao, welcome to the X ingredient. Summer is coming, and here in Italy it starts getting quite hot. With this weather, one of my favorite things is for sure Panzanella, which is a traditional Central Italy dish. Today I am going to show you the recipe of a version we make in some areas of Tuscany and Umbria. Before we start with the video, I would also like to remind you to leave a like, to consider subscribing to this channel and click on the notification bell to stay tuned. Thanks for your attention. To make our panzanella crunchy and delicious, we need to cut into small dices 2 or 3 stalks of celery and 2 medium carrots. We don't need to be precise, after all, this is a dish that comes from the countryside. We also need to chop half onion. I used half of it, because the onion I have has a quite strong flavor. In case you have a sweeter one, you can chop the whole thing. Now dice the tomatoes. I recommend using the best quality tomatoes you can find. Season with abundant salt, black or white pepper, white wine vinegar, and abundant extra virgin olive oil. Take some bread, better if it is old. Remove the crust and cut it in smaller pieces. Now soak it into water and let it absorb it. Then slightly squeeze it. What makes this version special is the fact that we are crumbling the bread with our hands. In other areas you can find it diced or sliced, but this is the version I like the most. Add abundant fresh basil and mix again. Panzanella is a delicious simple dish, and it is even better if you let sit in the fridge before serving. And that's a simple, juicy and fresh Italian masterpiece. Thanks for watching! If you like this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to this channel. Also, let me know in the comments if you tried the recipe and how did it go. Alla prossima! Ciao!